Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to service suspension system. Begin by securing the vehicle and gathering basic tools like a jack, stands, spring compressor, sockets, and penetrating oil. Inspect shock absorbers, struts, bushings, and mounts visually for leaks, cracks, or wear. Take photos of assembly before disassembly to aid reassembly. Work one side at a time and replace components in matched pairs for balanced handling and safety. Start by driving at low speed over varied surfaces to replicate noises and note handling changes. Test each wheel with a firm bounce to evaluate shock or strut persistence. Inspect rubber bushings and control arm joints for cracks, excessive movement, or play using pry bar checks. Measure ride height and compare both sides for sag. Record findings and prioritize parts that affect safety and steering responsiveness for replacement. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. They keep your small parts organized and prevent spills while you work in the garage. They stack neatly and save cleanup time between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then sit tight as we continue. Now let's get back to the video. When replacing shocks or struts, support the spring safely and follow torque specs for all fasteners. Use a spring compressor when removing strut assemblies and be cautious with stored energy. Replace worn bushings, ball joints, and mounts, then retorque hardware after initial test drive. Perform a short road test to confirm noise elimination and restored handling. If alignment changed during work, get a professional alignment or adjust to factory settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.